This is the VaySunic microinverter P2. There is a large letter V on the front which lets you know this is a VaySunic product. On top of the microinverter, there is a nice large handle which makes it much easier to carry around. The handle also has a screw hole in the middle, which is designed to ground the microinverter. There are two convenient grooves on either side of the handle that can be used to help securely mount the device. There are three large hooks located along the corners, which can be used in various different mounting scenarios to help attach it firmly to any available brackets, guides, walls, and so on. There is a nameplate on the backside of the microinverter, which provides important information. For example, the maximum input voltage is 63 VDC. The MPPT voltage range is 33 to 48 volts in direct current. This microinverter has for MC for connectors or terminals. There are two on each side. The MC for connectors are the DC input lines. Each pair has a positive and a negative connector. The male connector is negative, and the female connector is positive. Each pair of MC for connectors can accept between 390 watts to 680 watts of DC power from their solar panels. Since this microinverter is compatible with most PV panel manufacturers, the customer may choose between purchasing different types of solar panel technologies like TOPCon, TERC, or HJT. This is the AC output line, sometimes called the AC trunk cable. The AC output line provides AC power to the grid. The tools you are required to have in order to install this microinverter include wire strippers, crimping pliers, a screwdriver, a torque wrench, and safety clothing. This is a T-trunk. This tool is provided for you. You need it to unlock the cover of the T-trunk like this. Locate your standard European plug-in cable. Take care to make sure the AC wires are stripped as shown in the picture. Pay attention that the amount of copper wire exposed is 8 mm. Slide the strip side of the standard European cable through the tail nut, then the clamp claw, and then the sealing body. Please pay very close attention to the order, direction, and method these three small parts are installed. Now you need to loosen the three screws inside of the trunk with a screwdriver. You do not need to loosen the screws all of the way, just far enough to be able to slide a stripped wire beneath them. Now insert the stripped standard European cable into the trunk section. You should be able to see the copper wires once they have passed the screws. Tighten the three screws with a screwdriver to firmly attach the exposed copper wires to the trunk. Make sure that none of the wires can be pulled out easily. Then you can use a torque wrench to tighten the tail nut to 2.5 N. Repeat the above steps when connecting the cable to the other side of the T-trunk section. Now you can replace the lid covering the exposed wires inside the T-trunk. Now insert the microinverter's AC trunk cable into the unused side of an installed T-trunk section. You will also clearly hear a distinctive click when you do so.